These fittings are at the heart of the new wood click and stick skirting revolution, quite frankly. This is an external corner. This is an end, in this case a right-hand end, and this is an internal corner. We put them in position, then we can measure up to begin cutting. In this case, our skirting is going to be finishing at this point with this wall, and we have a step through here. So that is a right-hand end going in that position there. This is an external corner, which is the end of this very short piece of skirting there, and that just sits in place there, and then we'll be able to measure the distance. Round the corner, we'll put the internal in. So the first method of measuring is to use your tape measure, and we're measuring off these inside edges, here to here in this case. I'll just move that a little bit, I'll move it back again, and I'm using that 10 centimetre mark there. I look across here, and this is 65, 66, 67. And we need to add 6 mil to each end, so another 12 mil. So I'll write down my 67 plus 12. That'll give me the distance of skirting, the length of skirting I need for that little bit there. Now that we've popped that internal corner joint in, this is an alternative way that you can measure the lengths you need for each section of wall. Here, we've got an existing fitting on a skirting piece, and it's already fitted. So what we do is we push this piece of skirting up until it's touching against that internal corner, and we're using again the outside edge here. We know that's touching, we know it's up against the wall. We mark there at the edge, and we're going to add 12 millimeters to the length of this piece of skirting. 6 millimeters for each end of it. Now with this second short section, the tape measure will do the job. And again, up to the end of the fitting there, and we're measuring to the end of the fitting there. Let's have a squeeze. 47.9 plus 12 mil.